So this is the video for Technicolor atoms. We also call it the flame test. This shows us a chemical property of flammability. Atoms, when they get excited or heated, their kinetic energy, as we know, increases. And so as they cool down, will start to give off a packet of light, which is called a photon, and they emit light. And so we are going to see what the different colors that these atoms give off. They are barium, lithium, potassium, copper, sodium, strontium, and calcium. And we're going to see them down in the table of known solutions. When you see the color for each one, make sure you write the color of what it is based on the word bank of flame colors. Also be sure to read the background information. Okay. This first flame color is going to be barium. And it is put the color that you thought that was. If you need to replay it, go ahead, but look at the word bank. Or wait to see the next one. This next one is
calcium.
Calcium. Again, put the color that you think it is. It's a little bit different from the first one that we saw of barium. Replay it if you need to. We see the blue-green of the propane tank. That is not the metal. This one is the copper. You can definitely see that is that beautiful bluish green. This next one is going to be lithium. Okay, so look at that color. Try and think about what color it might be. You might see a couple more colors that are similar to it, so replay it as you need it to finally decide what color you think it is. This next color is potassium, for the metal potassium. You can see that's like that. Yeah, it had that purplish color to it, so a lilac. Again, you can pause the video at any time and re-watch your colors if you need to. This is the metal strontium. Strontium, you can see, is that reddish orange or dark red. Again, watch those colors. So you write down the color that you see. This last one is going to be sodium. The metal sodium. We talked about sodium in class. Okay. Now again, using your word bank, write down the colors you think that it matches. We're going to take a brief pause. We're going to do the unknowns on the back side of the paper, and we're going to go in order of unknown A, B, C, and D. Try and match it to one of the known colors that you saw on the front, and then write down what metal you think it is. This is our first unknown. So based on its flame color, go back and rewatch the video and see if you can identify what known of flame color it matches from the front. Remember, this is a very unique color, okay? Very unique color that identifies, because it's characteristic property telling us which one it is. It identifies it like your fingerprint. Okay, this is the second unknown. Okay, so again, look back to the other part of the video to see which one you think that was. This is your third unknown. Again, as the electrons in the metals get excited, they cool down and they give off a very specific color. That is your third unknown. Again, go back and look at it, see if you can figure out which one it is. And your last unknown, unknown D. So now that you have seen the 4 unknowns, go back and try to identify which the matching one it is. You then have 5 closure questions based on what you saw. Make sure that you go back and answer them all. Remember, these are all metals, but they have to be combined with chloride to make them stable in the atmosphere, as we've talked about. And so then we use them and see them, and they give off a very specific color as their electrons are heated and cooled down.